quick minute since we've got a video uploaded, so I thought I'd show you some more progress. Just had a load of parts arrive for the 330, the e92, the daily. So what we're going to do is just going to unbox basically and show you what we've got, see what you think. Right guys, so these are the new wheels we've got for the e92 and I haven't seen them. So it's going to be the first time seeing them, you're going to see them as well. So let's hope it goes well. Yeah. So let's just have a quick note of it. Something a little bit different, especially to what's on at the minute. And the style in general that we've gone for previously. Some instructions for some wheels, excellent. Oh, there's a bag on it as well. Quite nervous, you know. Right, drop a comment what you're thinking this is going to be. Okay. Jesus, how much protection is there? That's not a bad thing, is it, really? Yeah. What do we think? I'm pretty happy with them. Right guys, so we're over at Moonwit Wheels. They've come out brilliant. I hope it gives that little bit of flair to the car. I just hope now I don't want to drop it because that's not happening. It's a daily, so it says. We've also got a little bit of a different spoiler to what normally is. So it's like you normally see them on E46 as like a CSL spoiler. We're going with that sort of style. Yeah, it comes out of the back. I have tested this as well already, I'm not going to lie, and it does fit really well. So it's just going to fit on the back of the car like that. Obviously it's all getting coloured and what have you. And then on top of that, we've also gone with the thing that everyone seems to have these days, and I've never had them, front splitters. So it goes up front of bumper. We've also got the sides, and then there are two on rear, but we'll see how that goes. But yeah, that's what we've got so far. We'll do a video fitting it all up and what have you and what it looks like as it is, and then it's going to be sent off to get the paint done and the bodywork done, and then we'll drop a video of it all completed. So thanks for watching. Drop us a like, a comment. What do you think of all the stuff I've got? Have I chose wrong? Let me know. Jump on the website for us. Have a look, see what you think. There is a new range coming, but unfortunately we've got a supply issue with the actual merchandise at the minute, so we're trying to get that resolved. But there is new hats out and stuff like that. Do a subscribe for the future videos. Check out some of the other videos and look after yourselves, guys. See you in a bit.